What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on your daily market update. And it feels like I'm a little bit too late because we've been falling down quite a bit in the last 45 minutes. I wanted to make a video and I had the thumbnail ready, etc. of some sort of a market crash potentially coming. Which, I mean, we could dip down much lower than this. I mean, right now Bitcoin is still at 69,200, which is still higher than we were this morning. So there's no crash yet. However, I think there's a reason to be very cautious here. So I just wanted to give you a warning. The warning is relatively late, even though, I mean, the altcoin market is also at this moment still as high as it was this morning. All right. But all right, wanted to do a full update on the market right now. We'll talk briefly about the news. There's not that much news that I need to report on. But briefly about the news. Then about the market circumstances, and then about some cryptos that I think you need to watch. All right, so let's get right into it. We have some major economic news towards the end of the week, so on Thursday and Friday. I will keep you updated on that towards or when we get towards the end of the week. Right now, we need to focus a little bit more on the markets as a whole. Because today, or over the course of today, we've been very bullish. All right, what you can see with Bitcoin is that basically until the last 2 hours, we've gained a ton of momentum. Like in total, almost at the very top, more than $2 billion in positions were opened in a matter of a day, less than a day, since the start today. Since the start of today, excuse me. And then apart from that, if you look at the volume across the markets, that's also pretty good. I mean, the volume for Bitcoin is almost at $30 billion, where yesterday morning it was much lower. Like yesterday morning, it was at like 11. So that's a 3x. But the situation right now, and also why I wanted to warn you, and I still want to warn you, that we could drop down all the way down to like 66,000, is multiple things. First of all, Bitcoin was hitting a major resistance level here between 69,600 and all the way up to 71,500. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is that the market is very correlated. Usually when you see that the market is very correlated, you can see all cryptos, or at least all the most traded cryptos, are moving together. Usually when that's the case, the markets are not great to trade, and you have to be cautious about the markets. And then third of all, it's the beginning of a new month, all right? That's always volatile, all right? So yesterday on Twitter, I was wrong because I said that we would see a sell Monday, buy Tuesday scenario. Now we might actually have a buy Monday, sell Tuesday scenario. Or did I say that? What I said on X is sell Monday, buy Tuesday. So it's vice versa. Now, I still think, I mean, the moves we had, like this is real. Like over $2 billion in Bitcoin was bought this morning. That does mean something, all right? And the volume also really does mean something. So I'm not telling you we are super bearish here, but I do think that there's a good opportunity. Like if you look at the price right here, we're consolidating here between 70,000 mostly, and down here at 66,600, and then we also have a lot of support down towards 65,500. So be careful. For now, I expect us to drop down to the bottom of the range. I'll be ready to buy when the circumstances are right. But due to the correlation as well, like I said, everything will move together with Bitcoin. So be careful, know that, know the market you're trading in, and you'll be fine. All right, so the thing is we'll talk about some cryptos that I think you need to watch, but ultimately right now, like I said, everything is dependent on Bitcoin. All right, so when we're talking about some coins you need to watch, I think that there's multiple scam coins that are quite interesting, like Cartesi. So I'm going to name them all. Just pick and choose. All right, look at the charts. Listen to what I tell about them. You know the cryptos as well. Some of them, see what you think is interesting and what's not. When we talk about some manipulated cryptos, Bella Protocol, Cartesi, Combo also is relatively interesting, and maybe Solar or SXP, but that's not really showing anything yet. Whereas Cartesi has shown some momentum. Still needs to break out though. And then obviously NOT is still very interesting, whether you want to buy or whether you want to long or short. I think a short right now is more sensible. And then apart from that, there's multiple game related coins, like Pixel is very interesting, but again, you need to wait for some sort of a you need to wait for Bitcoin to settle down somewhat. Dusk is getting towards some nice support levels here at 38 cents. That's interesting, I think. BNB is at a major resistance, so potentially good for a short, but ultimately I'm waiting for a breakout, a bullish one. YGG is gaming related, ACE is gaming related, all very bullish. We still need to wait for that. BounceBit, I still think, even though we dropped down quite a bit, I still think that can rally. Celestia, I still think will break out at some point of time. Phantom will still break out at some point of time. And that's mostly it for now. All right, so if you do have any questions, of course, let me know. And we can discuss that in the comments or in the Telegram group, which you can join for free. But that's what I think you need to know for now. And finally, by the way, right now in the Signal group, which I have my own Signal group and premium group in which I share all of my trades. We're doing weekly result reports again. Last 3 weeks have all been profitable. That's how long I've been doing the result reports again. And we're also exploring copy trading. So if you want to copy trade my trades, consider joining the Signal group where I send my trades as signals. But very soon I think we'll have copy trading enabled as well in there. But that's all you need to know for now. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.